Hedera Hashgraph has a new DEX with new farms with great APRs. We're going to take a look at how you can make some passive income or just stack HBAR tokens with no impermanent loss. Let's take a look. To get started, you're going to need a Hashpack wallet or something comparable, and we're going to go to Heliswap.io. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like below if you're a Hedera Hashgraph fan. I know I am. This project has a really bright future. Okay, we're going to go ahead and launch the app. We're going to connect our wallet. Just everything on Hedera is just so smooth. Like every transaction is amazing. The only one that compares, in my opinion, is probably, I guess, Matic. That's the only one that's really comparable. Okay, so we're on the swap here. I got my HBAR on my wallet, and then we're going to take a look. The swap's got quite a few tokens on here. Stablecoins and Hedera native tokens. So then we're going to go to the pools and we're going to take a look, and they're going to tell you which pools have yield farming. I think all of these do. I'm interested in the HBAR, which is this staked HBAR or liquid HBAR token, I should say, and then the USDC HBAR farm as well. We go down to farms. The HBAR, liquid HBAR is 29.7%. And then the, let's see, USDC HBAR is 108.2%, which is good. So the HBAR pool, there's no impermanent loss because it's a liquid staking HBAR plus regular HBAR in the liquidity token. I did that the same pool for Saucer Swap. So this one, it runs through November 6th, and there's a bunch of money in here, a bunch of tokens in here. There's 2.82 million. All right, so we're going to go ahead and provide liquidity. If we go to the HBAR pool, we have more. We're going to hit add liquidity, and I'm going to pull all of my HBAR tokens with my HBAR. I'm probably going to get some more HBAR here in the next couple of days. So we're going to hit provide. We're going to hit confirm. And then it's going to execute the smart contract. We're going to approve that. Executing. It just feels like really like the network's just really strong and it just follows through quickly and smoothly. I don't know how else to describe it if you've never used Hedera before. Okay, we got our liquidity tokens. And if we look here, it shows our tokens. Now if we go to the farm, we're going to go down here, and then it shows our LP right here. So you can do whatever percentage you want. We're going to do max. And we're going to come down here and approve LP. And hit approve. Executing. It just feels like the same each time. I didn't know how to describe it. Like each transaction feels exactly the same. On other networks, sometimes some transactions lag. It seems like on with Hedera, every single transaction is exactly the same and almost the same amount of time too. So I don't know if that makes sense or not. But okay, so then we're going to hit stake, and we're going to hit confirm, then approve. I was just researching Hedera the other day, and I ran into this Heliswap project, and I watched an AMA, and the team looks really solid. So that's why I decided to do this video, because they were fully doxed. They just seemed like they had a bright future for this project. The Heli token I don't think is out yet, so right now you're getting HBAR tokens as rewards, which is awesome. I don't know, I've gotten like 0.18 HBAR so far. I only had like $12 in there. I'm going to put quite a bit more in here today or tomorrow. and that's getting 29.7% APR. They have this other, I'm not sure what this OM token is, but any of those pools are getting a ton of rewards. I'm going to have to look into that token. And then the USDC HBAR pool is getting 108.7%. So I wanted to jump over to their white paper real quick to take a look. And there's some pretty cool stuff. It says the development of the DEX. They're going to do establishing the yield farms, which they have, and generate rewards in multiple forms on their LP tokens. And then it says next is the release of the Heli token. And then there was an interesting thing here. For the yield farms, it says to earn extra rewards, all providers need to do is deposit their LP tokens in the yield farm. Sit back and wait for passive income to roll in. But it says down here, Heliswap offers a multi-tiered reward structure in which each yield farm will also reward users with HBAR and OM tokens as a reward for being an early adopter. These rewards vary by yield farm. So since we're early adopters and we're getting into this early, they're rewarding us an HBAR and this OM token, which I have to look more into. This looks like a solid project overall. The team looks solid. They're fully doxed. They do AMAs quite a bit. So not financial advice, but this looks like a good one. If you like these passive income plays, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.